Hi to all my dear friends, my name is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel that is Tiny Dreams. Today we're going to do the exercise that is 12.2 and we have already done till question number 3rd. Now we are on question number 4, the first bit of it, and that is chapter name is factorization. So let's start the questions now. The first one is a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Okay, so now can I write it like this? A square, the whole square of it, minus b square, the whole square of it. Okay, so this is resembled to one of my identity, that is a square minus b square. And what the identity is? A plus b and a minus b. So from here, if we just look to this question, we can clearly see that here a is a square and b is b square. Now putting all the values in the equation, that will be a plus b. So a plus b, that will be a square plus b square. This is our a and this is our b, right? The second is a minus b. A, that is a square, minus b, that is b square. Okay, so now this will remain as it is, that is a square plus b square. Again, we can clearly see that a square minus b square is actually one identity, that is a plus b and a minus b. And here we can clearly see that our a is what? From here it is a and b is actually b. So this will be a square minus b square will be a plus b and a minus b. A minus b, right? So this is how we'll get our answer: a square plus b square, a plus b and a minus b, by using the formula that is a square minus b square. So here in this questions, like the fourth questions, most of the questions, like most of the bit of the questions of fourth will get done by using this identities only, right? So the second bit of the question is p to the power 4 minus 81. Again, can I write it p to the power 4 as p square, the whole square of it, right? Can I write this 81 as 9, the square of it, right? I can also write 3 square, the whole square of it. Like, better to write 9, the whole square of it. It will be easier to solve. Okay, now this can be clearly seen as a square minus b square. And what is our a square minus b square is? A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. While solving this question, we can clearly see that our a from here will be b square and our b will be 9. Okay, so now how to write it? A square minus b square, a plus b, that is b square plus 9 and a minus b, that is b square minus 9, right? So this is b square plus 9, this is b square minus 9 again. Okay, p square plus 9 will remain as it is. P square minus 9, can I write it like this? P square minus 3 square. 3 square is what? It is 9. Okay, so this is again a square minus b square, right? And we know the formula now, that is a plus b and a minus b. On comparing it with the question, our a will be b and our b will be 3, right? So this will be b square plus 9, right? A plus b, that is p plus 3, p plus 3 and a minus b is b minus 3. That's it, and this will be our answer, and this is how this question will get solved. Okay, let's solve the third bit of the question. So now we are on third bit, that is x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 minus y plus z to the power 4. Okay, how we can write it now? Again, x square, the whole square of it, minus y plus z square, the whole square of it. again we are having the same formula, that is a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. So like we will use this formula so many times that while solving these questions only we're going to learn this formula, right? So here a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. On comparing it with the equation, our a is what? X square, and our b is what? Y plus z, the whole square of it. That is our b, right? This is our a and this is our b. A square minus b square, right? And if you don't understand it, let me just highlight it. This will be my a and this will be my b, right? Now a is x square and b is y plus z, the whole square of it. If I have to write a plus b will be x square plus y plus z, the whole square of it. That is a plus b. Now a minus b will be a, that is x square minus b. B will be y plus z, the whole square of it. Okay. Again, if we just compare it, this will be my a and this will be my b, right? So what is the formula actually is? Again, the formula is a square minus b square. And now we learn the formula, that is a plus b, a minus b. And comparing it with the equation, a will be what? X and b will be y plus z, right? So now this will remain as it is, x square plus y plus z, the whole square of it. This will be a plus b and a minus b. It means x plus y plus z, x minus y plus z. Okay, now what will happen next? What we're going to do, this will remain x square plus y plus z, the whole square of it, right? This will be x plus y plus z and this will be x. Okay, the minus sign will go inside, okay, and all the sign will get changed. So this will be x minus y minus z. Okay, so this is how this question will get solved. I hope you understood it. Okay, let's do the fourth bit of this question now. So the fourth bit is x to the power 4 minus x minus z to the power 4. Okay, guys, we can also solve this equation y plus z, the whole square of it, in the next question that we are doing right away, that is x to the power 4 minus x minus z to the power 4. I'll show you how we can resolve this equation as well. Okay, so what we're going to do, again the same thing will happen in all the equations here. X square, the whole square of it, minus x minus z square, the whole square of it. Okay, understood? So now this is again the same identity, that is a square minus b square, and we know that the identity is a plus b and a minus b, right? So here my a is what? If I just compare it with this question, a will be my x square and b will be what? X minus z, the whole square of it, right? So now if I have to write it, how I'll write it? A plus b, x square plus x minus z, the whole square of it, that is a plus b, and a minus b, that is x square minus x minus z, the whole square of it, right? So now this is a plus b and this is a minus b. Now I will write this as it is x minus z, the whole square of it. That will remain same. Okay, we'll solve this in the last step. Here again we can see the same formula, a square minus b square. What is my a square minus b square? That is a plus b, a minus b. But here what will be my a? Here my a will be x and my b will be x minus z. Okay, so this time my equation will be a plus b, a plus b. So x plus x minus z, right? A minus b, that is x minus z, right? If I have to solve this further, what I'll do here, x square plus x minus z, the whole square of it, and this will be x plus x minus z. This minus sign will go inside, this will be x minus minus will be plus z, right? What we're going to do here, x and x will get cancelled, and this x and x will become 2x. So this will be x squared plus x minus z squared. This will be x and x will be 2x minus z, and this will be only z, right? Now the next thing will be, what we're going to do here x minus z the whole square of it. Have you remember this formula, that is a minus b the whole square of it? What the formula is? A square plus b square minus 2ab. My a is what here? Is x. My b is what? Z. So this will be x square plus, and I'm going to solve it now, a square plus b square minus 2 into a, that is x, into b, that is z. This will remain 2x minus z as it is, and this z will remain as it is. X square plus z square minus 2xz, 2x minus z, right? And this will be only z. And this is how this question will get solved. Okay, now let's do the next question. That is the fifth bit, that is a to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b to the power 4. Okay, so can I write this equation like a square the whole square of it minus 2a square b square plus b square the whole square of it. A square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So a square, this will be, right, this equation will be actually what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Which identity is this? A minus b the whole square of it. Here my a is what? Okay, can you see what is my a here? My a is a and my b is b square, right? So like a is a square and b is b square here. So this will be, okay, I will write it with black pen only. Okay, so this will be a square minus b square. It means a minus b the whole square of it, right? If this is a minus b the whole square of it, again this a square minus b square, you know the formula, that is a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So this will be a plus b, a minus b and the whole square of it, right? We can also write it like a plus b square of it, a minus b square of it, and that will be our answer. Understood? Okay, so we have solved all the bits of question number 4, and now there are 3 questions left of the question number 5 that we are going to do right away. Let's do the question then. We are on question number 5 and it's having 3 bits, so we are solving one by one all the questions. The first one is p square plus 6p plus 8. Now the thing is that I want to share with all of you guys is, okay, so we are having so many formulas and so many identities and factorization. Now the question arises that how to solve the question. Okay, look at this question. Can I apply any identity here? P square, okay, 8 is square of any number? No, it's not, right? So we can't apply the identity here. If it is 16, then we can think of using identity, but again 6p is not any number, so we can't solve it by using identities. They are not 4 terms, so we can't regroup it. We can take 5p as common from this 2, but we can't take p as common from this one, so this cannot be done by common factor 2. Okay, so what we're going to do in that case? The last method remains, that is splitting the middle term. Now we will see the factors of 8. Factors of 8 is, so 4, 2 is 8, 2, 1 is 2. 4 and 2. Okay, if we are doing the sum of this number, so 4 plus 2 will be what? It will be 6. If we do the multiplication of the number, so 4 into 2, 4 2 is what? 8, right? It means we can use the formula, that is p square plus, this will be like 6p will be actually 4p plus 2p, and this 8 will remain same. Here I can take p as common. What will remain inside the bracket? P plus 4. From here 2 will be taken as common, and this will be p plus 4. From both of the things, like we can clearly see that p plus 4 can be taken as common. What will be remain inside the bracket? That is p plus, and that's it. That will be our answer, and this is how this question will get solved. Understood? Okay, let's do the rest of the two questions now. The second question is q square minus 10q plus 21. Again, we will apply all the methods. We will just check by hit and trial methods which formula or which identity we can use here. And this can be clearly seen now that it can be done by using splitting the middle term. So we'll do the factorization of 21, 7, or we can say 3, 7 is 21, 3, 1 is 1. So we are getting two numbers, that is 7 and 3. If we do the sum of the number, that is minus 7 minus 3, this will be minus 10. If we do the multiplication of the number, so that will be minus 7 into minus 3. 7 3 is what? 21, right? So here we can get the number, that q square minus 7q minus 3q plus 21, right? Now from here we can clearly take q as common, and this will be q minus 7. From here I'll take minus 3 as common. So if I have taken minus 3 as common, this will be q minus 7. From both of them, taking q minus 7 as common, this will be taken as common here, and this will be q minus 3 will remain, and this will be our answer, q minus 7 and q minus 3. Okay, understood? Okay, let's solve the third bit and the last question of this exercise, that is p square plus 6p minus 16. Again 16. We will see what are the factors of 16. 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, and 8 minus 2 is 6. Right, so this can be written as, okay, what can be sum? Sum is 8 minus 2. Multiplication is 8 into minus 2. So p square plus 8p minus 2p, that is 6p, minus 16 will remain as it is. P will be taken as common, and here p plus 8. From here minus 2 will be taken as common, and this will be again p plus 8. From both of them, p plus 8 will be taken as common, and this will be p minus 2, right? And this will be what our answer is. This is how we have to solve the questions, and I hope you understood all the questions well. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. We'll meet you in the next exercise, that will be like 12.3. that will be the last exercise of this chapter, and we'll do this in the next week. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day to you. Bye bye.